Hello, my fashionable dressmakers. So today I want us to quickly talk about color blocking. Yes, how to use this great tool, whatever it is, to mix up your outfits. Okay, mix up your designs when sewing, for yourself or for business. As a business, you're ready to wear outfits. Now, how can you know how to mix these colors together? Color blocking. Now, color blocking means you use one color from the opposite end of the color wheel and another one on the other end, and you merge both of them, and it brings out this beautiful color combination and all of that. Now, the best place I go to for inspiration is Pinterest. How many of you use that app? How many of you have installed the app? You see, these are the issues. You're in an industry that is ever evolving. Okay, you wonder why some people are making it awesome. They started little and today you're like, I know that girl. I know that girl when she started. It's because she went the extra mile. They went the extra mile, nothing more. So if you don't have that app, please install it. Learn how to use it. Google, how can I use Pinterest app? Okay, you can search on Pinterest app for color blocking combinations, color blocking fashion outfits. I do all of that. Color blocking women outfits. You will see models, you will see people using different beautiful yellow and purple. There are some that are obvious to you, but there are some you'll be like, wow, I didn't think that these two would go well. Okay, now when you see those kind of when you see all sorts of colors like that, from the Pinterest app or even Google, but I love to use Pinterest app. When you see them, what you want to now do is bring it back home. Okay, because sometimes you see them in plain fabrics and all of that. Bring it back home, your Ankara. All right, when you have saved those images, when you're going to the market or even the ones you have at home, you'll be amazed that, wow, so I can actually use this one and use this one. When Iran Buba, for Nigerians who understand what I mean by Iran Buba, it's like kimono that's like a shirt kimono and then wrapper you tie. It's always been there, like it's a tradition, in Yoruba and other cultures and all of that. But Jewel by Lisa, a Nigerian top designer, decided to make it funky, and she started mixing different colors of Ankara, and it thing just went like wildfire. It used to be old women or just elderly ladies that wore it, but every young lady had Iran Buba. I had I entered market too. I said, this thing, I must have it. Everybody was sewing it. Okay, then it used to be with lace or maybe ashwebi fabric, but when she made it trendy, everybody wanted to get. They started tying the wrapper in a different kind of way than just tying it here. The point is, it was just how she mixed those colors that popped. Okay, and it is still happening till now. Color blocking, it's not a trend that will ever go away. It will always come. It will just come with maybe the kind of outfits that is trending for that time, but color blocking will always be there. So I have some fabrics. I don't know where I bought this fabric from, but I brought it to me when I was living in Nigeria. Brought it with me when I was living in Nigeria. Okay, it's light pink, like baby pink. It's really lovely. I love it. Now I just realized, come on, this thing is color blocking. I also have this beautiful fabric. I love the pattern designs. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I made a jumpsuit for someone in the UK, and the fabric was remaining many years ago. I saved it for myself. You see all these things I carried with me when living in Nigeria. I saved it for myself. Now you will know that color blocking is different from color blending. Color blending is two colors that almost look similar. Color blocking is two different colors at the edge of the ends of the color wheel coming together. Okay, so I'll be putting some pictures, or I must have put some pictures so you see how they work. Now these two would go together. I came across some pictures of ladies wearing pink and red outfit, and I was like, oh, you don't mean this, I can do this. Okay, I also have another red fabric. My mother gave me this. I love it. You can see this, so my cousin, she's here also in this country, but we live apart. My cousin saw this fabric and she was like, okay, why don't you use these two together? You can make a pair of wide leg pants with this, and maybe a bustier top with this. And I was like, see, I even have my paper. to written this thing weeks ago. Is the time to sew it? Okay. And I was like, oh, that makes sense. I don't know if that's what I would do, but I know that I'm going to make something soon. Okay. Now imagine that I am done making this. I come here and you see me live and you're like, wonderful, is always looking on point. It is Pinterest that is helping you. You cannot have all the creativity in the world. Use people's outfits, get inspiration. I have pictures that I've saved. Don't just be saving picture for nothing. Save it to be inspired, to sew and let people see you. It's not that you save pictures and then maybe because you sew for business, you know, someone comes, I don't know what, I can do this. No, sew it yourself. Let them see it on your body, and that's where the demand comes from. Not that you start sending people. Anyway, that will be for another video. You start sending customers or potential customers 10 pictures of different people. I can sew it, I can sew it. What can you sew? Sew it for yourself. Let them see it on you. By the time I'm done with this outfit and you see it, what would be your reaction? I want to learn how to make this. I need to learn how to make this. But if I just keep showing you pictures of strange people, I mean, would you be convinced? You want to see it on yourself. So if you know how to make outfits, start using color blocking. Okay, be creative. And you can see this little detailing. It's silver, but it's so going to go with this baby pink. I mean, I can't wait. Okay, so be creative with yours. Now the assignment is download the app. If you already have the app or if you've downloaded it, start searching, start saving pictures, and tell me what colors you would use as color blocking. List at least 2. Let me be sure. If you don't have the app, after watching this video, go and do the needful. Download, search, and come back and comment. If not, no more videos. Okay, so let me know what colors would you use. What colors do you have in your house, your fabrics, and all of that? Let me know in the comment section. The plan is for all of us to become fashionable dressmakers, not just tailors. Fashionable dressmakers. Okay, dressmaker with a difference. That's what this page is here for. This page is not here for hello ma, hello ma, hello ma. This page is here for all of us to stand at the same level, saying yes, when I came in contact with this page, my life changed. Okay, that's what this page is here for. Not for you to just keep saying, I wish I could sew like wonderful. You are going to sew like me and even better. Okay, so do the needful. Step by step, you will get there. All right, so I look forward to seeing your comments, letting me know the colors that you have at home already that you're going to start mixing. Okay, see you in the next post. I hope this was helpful. All right, bye.